Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to lock home screen layout on Android phone. Friends, we all customize our home screen by arranging app icons etc. And it's always better to lock screen layout after that. So first arrange your mobile screen. Now after customizing your home screen, press on settings. In settings, press on display. In display, press on home screen. Here enable lock home screen layout. Now friends, you have locked home screen layout, and if you want to change any of your icon by mistake, it will show you error. Now friends, as you can see, with the help of this feature, you can very easily customize your home screen and protect it from any changes by error. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.